Have you ever wanted to easily create professional videos but felt limited by technical skills or budget? I'm here to tell you about an amazing tool that lets anyone make stunning videos with no experience needed. Creating videos can take hours of work in complex software, but with CreateStudio you can have a video done in just minutes. Everything is drag and drop, so there is no learning curve. Pre-made templates mean all you do is add your own text and images. Not only is it simple to use, but the quality is incredible. You get polished videos with 3D animated characters, motion graphics and cinematic effects. It looks like something a big studio produced, but you can do it from your laptop. Tired of paying video or subscription fees that add up? With CreateStudio, you get lifetime access for one low price. That means the software is yours to use forever, creating as many videos as you need. No recurring costs makes it extremely affordable in the long run. Curious about the types of video you can make? CreateStudio has templates for everything. Promo videos, tutorials, product demos, real estate tours. It even has templates just for social media. You also get full creative freedom to build your own videos from scratch. Want to see it in action? Check out some of the sample videos in their gallery. You'll be amazed at the professional quality people have achieved using this software. With the right video, you can boost sales, grow your business, and get your message in front of more people. Are you interested to jump in? I'll see you inside.